How do you get these 3 different links in the sidebar of your community? This is a question that recently came in inside of our 10-minute school growth challenge. Dino, where in the settings can I find these links? Let me break that down for you guys right here. So when you're inside of your school dashboard as the admin, you can click on the community tab where you will get that natural feed that looks like a Facebook community. What you're going to do is click on settings on the left-hand side, and then you want to click on plugins on the left. And as long as you are on the pro level account, you will have different pro level plugins, one of which is links. All right. So if you are on a pro level account, you can decide to turn on links. You don't have to turn on all of these plugins, but this is one of the benefits of a pro level account. Again, you can have a beginner or hobby level account, which is $9 per month, or otherwise a pro level account, which is $99 per month. More details on that beneath this video. But if you're on a pro level account, you can click to turn on links. And right here, you will go ahead and click on add link. You can decide what your link name is, as well as the actual link itself. For more tips and strategies to grow your school community, be sure to look at different videos here on our channel.